back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, day in the life, fashion, house hunting, all the things. And I am so excited for a fun little like Buffalo personal style video for you guys. I am walking right now, just parked the car and heading over to, it's like the Larkinville area, heading over to Toasted and the Lounge Shop. I am super excited. My friend Carly's birthday is coming up. I want to go get her a little gift and yeah, just kind of see what's up. And then later today, my mom and Matt and I are going and looking at open houses. So as part of the open house series, we got to get a little bit of Donna in the vlog. And you guys know, I just love capturing like those moments with my parents because I love being able to look back at those like moments with them and get to like hear their laugh and just see those times together. Yeah, I've been getting super sentimental about the fact that one day my parents are gonna die and I just absolutely can't handle that at all. It literally brings me, I can't handle it. So trying to lean into capturing more of the times that I have with them when they're here, when we're together, because the time is so precious. So let's go. Just got home from going to the Lounge Shop with my mom.
Hi, baby. Yeah.
And Goody's jumping.
Hey, hello there.
And I'll show you guys what I got for Carly. I'm so excited.
But is Carly gonna see this?
No, this is not gonna go out until April. So,
oh, okay.
Yes.
Good. Because we don't.
Actually, this is gonna go out probably in May.
Oh,
so
no, down, Goody. Down, Goody.
Okay. So, because Carly and I are going to, you know what, I mean, I was gonna get this either way for her, but I was like, wait, I'm gonna get one for myself too, because it's cute, because we're going and having a little, like, girls staycation. So I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I've seen these all over the place. Girls are using them to, like, do their makeup and stuff. Do you, like, pull your hair back?
Yeah.
Oh! So one for me, one for Carly. I got her, well, I got myself these cutie little like disco ball stars, confetti. I'm so excited. These are literally perfect for mine and Matt's party. So I'm putting those in one of the boxes we have with stuff for the party
box, yeah.
And so here are the other things that I got for Carly. So some of the things are wrapped up, so I'll tell you them because I'm not gonna unwrap them. But I got 2 candlestick holders and these cutie ColourPop hand-painted candles. One has lemons, one has oranges.
And the candle holders are little squat glass that's kind of grooved. Very cute.
Super cute. It's like very much Carly's aesthetic. And I also got her a really good smelling, my mom spotted this one, candle.
Oh yeah, take the price tag off the bottom of that. That's not good.
There we go.
Yeah, she should have done that for you.
That's okay, that's okay.
Let's see if there's a price tag.
It smells so good.
See,
so
she left the price tag on all this stuff.
Okay.
So.
Well, this is at least they're not on the candlesticks. I know that because I had to ask what the price was.
Yeah.
This is a sea salt, citrus, musk, and amber candle. Buddha, no. And I also got her, it's wrapped, but this super cute mug that I just think she's gonna love.
Oh, you're so cute, little dog. But enough with
Gouda tonight.
A crocheted sweater can't have dog paws going through it.
Here, I'll get it.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's what I got for Carly. 2 candlestick holders, these candles, another candle, a little headband, and a cutie mug. So I'm gonna put this all in a gift bag that I have for her. And we are waiting to hear back from Matt because as I told you guys earlier, we are gonna go to at least 1 open house, possibly 2. I also have to drop off a check at my financial advisor. So yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of things. We just got to the open house. Hold on. This lens, it's really not as clean as it could be, but whatever. We just got to the open house. I am so excited. I'm honestly gonna take footage with my phone, so I will put that footage in right here.
Where's the washer dryer?
Yeah, off the kitchen. Yeah, there's a spot between the kitchen and the garage.
Yeah, we haven't seen that. It's so much space though. Hold on, I wanna see. It's crazy.
Wine cellar.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
frames.
First of all, paint all these cabinets white.
If you want to see the back, we could walk around that way.
This got a little too wet.
This is a gas fireplace, which is really easy because you just flip a switch. This guy is very neat. Yeah, everything's lined up in size.
Lots of space back here. There's your pantry. Very narrow.
Put out your camera.
Do you want me to be mapping our way home?
No, I can get there.
Oh, so we would go that way.
We don't need to go on North Forest.
That's the fastest way to go home.
Iron.
What way are you going home?
To Millersport to the 290.
Okay.
Let's go in a different way.
Yeah, this street is just garbage.
Oh, they're golfing out here.
Yeah.
Brighton's open.
So we left 2 open houses and neither one would be worth, for Matt and I, neither one would be worth putting an offer in, but it was really, really good to go and like check it out, see what the price is, see what the kind of situation is at both of them. And what was nice is also we were able to talk to the real estate guy who like walked us through both of the houses, and we went to a house that in my perspective is like perfect, and we know that there's an offer pending on it, and so he's gonna see if he can't do some digging to find out what that price is, because that will be super helpful for us to gauge pricing and stuff like that when it comes to like what we feel like is like the perfect house. Like it just, the bathrooms were amazing, the closet in the master bedroom was huge. It was just so good. I honestly wish that I'd recorded footage of that house. So it's to say, into future ones, I will definitely be, I like took some video on my phone, which again, I told you guys I put previously, but I'm definitely gonna make sure to be recording more so that then when we look back and are referencing different houses that we've seen, I can easily pull from my camera. So I ended up being a terrible, terrible vlogger this weekend. Really terrible. My mom came, we had the best time. As you saw, we went to 2 open houses on Saturday, and that was really great. I will put some footage, well no, I think I already told you guys that I was gonna put footage from the open houses, and neither of those houses were for us. They really weren't that great. And we got home Saturday, we ended up watching a TV, and Sunday we went to another open house, and honestly, it was an incredible open house. We went to an open house in the Kenmore area. It was so cute. The house was definitely a bit small, but we loved it. We just thought it was really, really fantastic. Again, I will put a little bit of footage. Actually, no, I don't have any real footage from that house, like the tiniest clip, so it's not even worth putting it in, honestly. But that, just when I tell you that house was amazing, that house really is what got my butt into gear now to like, we're contacting another real estate agent because we really just want to do our due diligence. Like my mom coming and meeting one of the real estate agents that we were considering was really helpful, because I always trust my mom for like getting a read on people, and my mom just gave us really good feedback overall about the process and who we want to work with and all of that. And so it was really, really nice. And I just also happened to like really be needing some time with my mom. So for me to get a little bit of quality time with my mom was fantastic. It just was everything that I needed. I know that you guys didn't really see much of that time. You guys actually really didn't see much of anything in this vlog. This was kind of just a chatty, a little bit of a piecemeal nonsense vlog, because my mom's not even here anymore. She left earlier this morning. She's already home safe. It was the best to get time with her. I'm just so grateful that she came, because I needed a hug from my mom. I just really needed that quality time. And now we are back into busyness. I'm having a very busy work day, but it's a really good work day. It's a very good start to the week. And yeah, we just have so much more house stuff coming up. So I know that this vlog kind of sucked, and I really do apologize for that, but it's to say definitely stay tuned, because I'm going to continue to bring you guys along, and I really am going to continue to show you guys more of the footage inside of the homes. I'm going to start showing like clips and just taking you guys into the open houses that we see and just recording, because I'm realizing like I don't love the open house vlog series so far as much as I could. I would enjoy this vlog series more if I included more of that footage. So that's what I'm gonna start to do for you guys, but we live and we learn. I didn't think that I was gonna feel comfortable doing that, and now I'm like, I totally am comfortable, because even if I show you footage of a house that we end up buying, I'm just gonna be very mindful of how I record footage and all the things to be like very, very safe and secure about all this stuff as I continue to like bring you guys into my life, but be a very mindful content creator. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on the future house hunting vlogs, because those are going to be way more fun, way more engaging. But yeah, thanks for sticking around if you made it this far. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.